The excitement is palpable as we approach the unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series on January 17th. Samsung USA is already enticing early adopters with an appealing reservation program. Here's a breakdown of what's on offer. 1. Reservation process asterisk. Samsung is continuing its tradition of allowing customers to reserve their upcoming flagship phones. To reserve a Galaxy S24 series device, all you need to provide is your name, email address, and possibly your phone number. 2. $50 Samsung credit asterisk. As an incentive for early reservations, Samsung is offering a $50 Samsung credit. While this credit can't be used to directly reduce the phone's price, it can be applied toward purchasing accessories or other Samsung products, enhancing your overall Samsung experience. 3. No obligation asterisk. What's great about this reservation program is that there's no obligation to make a purchase. It's a no-strings-attached opportunity to express your interest and potentially secure some perks. 4. Potential savings asterisk. The reservation page hints at potential savings of up to $1,020 when pre-ordering. This likely includes trade-in credits, which can be substantial, especially for high-end models like the S24 Ultra. 5. Variations in pricing asterisk. While official prices haven't been released, rumors suggest that the standard S24 and S24 Plus models might offer more budget-friendly options in the EU, making them accessible to a wider range of consumers. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra might have a higher base price but offer more affordable higher memory configurations. 6. Korea's pre-order deal asterisk. In Korea, there's talk of a fantastic pre-order deal that includes doubling the storage for free. This is similar to the offer for the S23 series last year, and if true, it's an enticing reason to place an early order. With these early reservations and potential perks, Samsung is creating even more anticipation for its Galaxy S24 series. It's an opportunity for tech enthusiasts to get ahead of the crowd and secure some benefits when these flagship devices hit the market. Stay tuned for further updates as we approach the official launch date, and feel free to share your thoughts and excitement about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series.